Okay, after doing my degree back in 1990, I went into a whole series of doing experiments to try and find a different voice from anybody else as an artist to what anybody else was doing. And I come up with this idea around then, that time, of using Morse code, so that the text is hidden under the sort of abstract imagery. And this is a fairly recent painted within about last year, and it's called Love, and it's a whole part of a whole series of paintings I did to do with the emotions of love. This painting is very interesting because, number one, it's called Depression, and I was going through depression myself, and I was going up and down with me emotions and feelings, and I heard about Spike Milligan having bipolar and that, and the painting is titled Depression, but the wording on it there in Morse code is manic, and I didn't know whether I was or not having that, but I since found, when I met my wife, and this is a portrait I've done of my wife. When I met my wife on the 1st of July 2013, I then found out that she had bipolar and got bipolar, and the relationship with started with this wink that she did, and I wanted to do a portrait of that wink. I'm quite pleased with the painting. There's always, as an artist, there's always things that you feel you want to do and change about things, but the general atmosphere of it I'm pleased with. I also did this other portrait of her in a yellow top, and I'm trying to sort of get real nice, sort of beautiful sort of atmosphere to the painting, and because she's a very beautiful woman, and I love her so much. This portrait I did of her when she was reading, and it's a sketch, and I like doing a lot of sketches. In fact, when she first come to stay with me, I was sketching her in the early hours of the morning while she was asleep, and throughout the day, just drawing, trying to understand anatomy. And I find that with a lot of people, if I'm doing a portrait of them, I usually like to make about 5 drawings at least, sketches, drawings, of varying degrees of detail, just trying to get to grips with understanding now the facial structure and that. Because I absolutely love anatomy and the way the face is constructed, and in fact, when you look at how beautiful a lot of women are, and you think, you have 2 eyes, nose, mouth, and the facial structure, and you think, the amount of variations, it's incredible. And here's my wife again, and the image of her, what started the relationship, and we got married on the 30th of August 2014. See, Louise, I do remember the dates, don't I? Thank you.